Mercedes unveiled the highly anticipated second generation of the AMG GT sports car during the Monterey Car Week. The new GT is exclusively offered in coupe form, with open-air driving now reserved for the mechanically related SL Roadster. It incorporates the latest performance and chassis technology from AMG, including a standard variable all-wheel drive system. Although the new GT retains its distinctive appearance, every element of its bodywork has been redesigned. The front showcases an aggressive Panamericana grille, featuring a glossy black extension underneath reminiscent of the outgoing Black series. The headlights exhibit softer curves, while the slim taillights are now connected through a trim piece beneath the active rear spoiler. Standard 20-inch wheels emphasize its stance, while optional 21-inch alloys are also available. The rear shoulders, more pronounced, convey a wider stance, akin to the 911's aesthetics, resulting in a more balanced proportion than before. This shift is due to the new AMG GT's larger dimensions. It measures 4,728 mm in length, an increase of 182 mm, with the wheelbase stretched by 70 mm, 2,700 mm. The new generation is also wider by 45 mm and taller by 66 mm compared to its predecessor. Despite the familiar looks, the AMG GT is constructed on a fresh architecture composed of aluminum, steel, magnesium, and fiber composites, glass and carbon, allowing more space for its 2+2 layout and an expanded boot. Inside, the dashboard, featuring a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and an 11.9-inch infotainment screen, is borrowed from the SL. The optional AMG Performance steering wheel and ventilated bucket seats with integrated headrests create a blend of luxury and sportiness. The rear seating space, typical of most 2+2 configurations, cargo capacity ranges from 321 liters to 675 liters, making it suitable for longer journeys. The BiTurbo 4.0-liter V8 engine has been upgraded for more power and torque while adhering to Euro 7 emission regulations. During its launch, two V8-powered options will be available. The base variant produces 469 horsepower and 700 Nm of torque, enabling a 0 to 100 km/h acceleration in 3.9 seconds and reaching a top speed of 295 km/h, 183 mph. The more potent GT63 generates 577 horsepower and 800 Nm of torque, sprinting from 0 to 100 km/h in 3.2 seconds and reaching a top speed of 315 km/h. It's expected that an even more powerful plug-in hybrid GTE performance model will follow. The sports car exclusively employs a 9-speed AMG SpeedShift automatic transmission, situated behind the engine. Unlike its rear-wheel drive predecessor, the GT now incorporates the fully variable AMG Performance 4MATIC Plus all-wheel drive system as standard. Additional features include the AMG Active Ride Control suspension with active roll stabilization, electronically controlled rear locking differential, active rear axle steering, and active aerodynamics. The new Mercedes AMG GT is projected to debut in the US in the first half of 2024. Although pricing details are yet to be unveiled, the sports car is anticipated to have a higher price point compared to the equivalent SL Roadster.